everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be sharing my interview experience of Capcall and how I converted all the new IMs and all the baby IMs. Before moving further, I want to share my profile with all of you guys. In 10th standard I have scored 10 CGPA, in 12th 81.8% and in graduation 75.7%. I am from a civil engineer background, so overall my profile is general engineer female. This video will be in 3 parts. First part for those ones जिनको सिर्फ ये जानना है कि उन्होंने मेरे से questions क्या क्या पूछे थे. So first part में I'll be sharing all the questions which they have asked me. The second part will be what all are the answers which I have given to them. And the third part will be my overall experience, whether it was stressed or relaxed and everything. To know how I cracked all the new IMs, all the baby IMs, watch the video till the end. So the first question, how are you doing, Anshika? Second question, you left your job in December, what are you doing now? The third one, as a marketer, what is the most important thing for you? How can a customer and a marketer can be on a same page? The customer is buying a product and the seller is selling the product. So how you can be on a same page? The next question, suppose you are going to buy a new product or services. So what all are the parameters you will consider before buying that product? If your family or relative in some particular kind of business and they are trying to sell you, how are you going to trust their reviews? So what do you understand by need and what? What is difference between them? The next question is, what is a desire? Okay, Anshika, I'm going to give you a situation where buying a Ferrari is need for me. Otherwise, without Ferrari, I'll not be living. I don't want to live without Ferrari. So what is the difference between exactly need, want and desire? So you were saying before selling your product, you will see my status. So have you heard about Indra Krishnamurti Nui? Recently, she said that women cannot have it all just because of her biological process. What do you think about her statement? So what other calls do you have? If you get selected in all of them, then which one you would prefer? All of these are the questions which they asked me during my interview. And now moving to the next part of the video, I'm going to explain how I answered all these questions. I just simply answered like how I am doing and everything, all this stuffs like that. So my second answer was, like, I have prepared for digital marketing course when I was preparing for CAT. So to apply some practical knowledge on that, I have filled some forms and I got selected in one of the company where currently I'm working as a social media marketer. And my job role was to do social media marketing on Facebook and Google's, and I do Google Analytics and Facebook Analytics. So all the stuffs related to that, I said that. Being as a marketer, the most important thing for me is to be on a same page with our customers. Their goal of buying the product should be similar to my goal of selling the product. The purpose behind selling the Pepsi for the company is that people buy it whenever there is some occasion going on or for a fun thing or get together thing. And when customer goes to buy that product, they also have similar kind of thoughts in their mind whenever they are going to buy a Pepsi. First, I will consider my urgency of buying that product. Since I am a digital marketer, so I'll go online and search about the reviews of that product and also the availability of the product, whether it is available for me, like अगर मेरा प्रोडक्ट खत्म हो जाता है so मुझे वो easily available है या नहीं है. I'll ask my friends and relatives also about those products. If I know that my family or my friend is in this business, then I will dive deep into this. I will go for Google search more about the reviews and everything. Now we have internet in our pocket, so it made our jobs very easy. Like whatever I want, I can go in a YouTube and I can see the reviews around it. So obviously if my family person or my relatives is in that business, so yeah, I'll not be depending fully on whatever they are saying. I will do my part of research also. From my point of view, need is something without which person cannot live. Like let's take an example. When I was preparing for CAT, my need was to know the syllabus, to go to the coaching classes and everything. But aside from this, I have done few courses on Excel and business analytics. That was my want. I wanted to do it to grow my skill set. But at that point of time, my need was only to finding a good coaching institute which can provide me with all the materials and syllabus so that I can prepare for CAT. Desire is something like next year I want to go to Maldives, and which is something hypothetical. This is the desire, what I understand from it. I think need is something without which people cannot live without, like roti, kapda, makan. So being Ferrari, someone's need, I don't find it's very impossible to think that one cannot live without Ferrari. And if you want it, then you have to push yourself so hard. And so sir, since I am in digital marketing field, so we have this targeted audience set. So whenever we target any audience, we see that what is the cost of our product and which segment is going to buy it. Either it is a middle class or upper middle class or high-end customers. So on the basis of that, choose our targeting audience. All about the potential customers. We are going to market our products only to the potential customers. Otherwise, when I am putting so much money in marketing kind of stuff and I'm not targeting my potential customer, so it will be all of a waste. I know about Indra Krishnamurthy Nui. She is also my role model and a former CEO of PepsiCo, and she is also the alumni of IIM Calcutta. I completely agree on whatever she said, because it doesn't matter what position women holds. Women are the one who is going to give birth to a child, and it is not simply limited to 9-month process. It is more than that. And when it comes to elders and taking care of the family, they are the one expected to take care more about them. I have calls from IIM Kozhikode, IIM Shillong, and IIM Rohtak, MDI Gurgaon, IIM Ghaziabad, IIM Delhi. I am so sorry, sir, but if I'll get converted in all the colleges, then I would prefer to go IIM Kozhikode, because since when any CAT aspirant prepare for CAT exam, they prepare for Blackie IIMs only, and K belongs to that category. So if I'll get a chance, then I'll be opting for IIM Kozhikode only. Hey guys, so these are all the answers which I have given to. One more thing, जब इसका इंटरव्यू हुआ था उस टाइम पे ना तो नीति का फॉर्म आउट हुआ था एंड ना ही नीति का मैंने फॉर्म भरा था और ना ही मेरा शॉर्टलिस्ट से आया था. सो मैंने नीति नहीं बोला, अदरवाइज आई हैव सेड नीति ओनली बिकॉज इट इज अ गोल्ड फॉर मी. नीति इज द बेस्ट कॉलेज. So my interview was on 18th of February and the time slot which I have given was 1:30 PM. And you get a call from one person from administration side. Always आधा घंटा पहले ready रहना. जब भी तुम्हारा टाइम स्लॉट है, I would prefer 1 घंटे पहले ready रहो, because 1 घंटे का आगे पीछे आपको मार्जिन लेकर के चलना होता है. So yeah, everything was smooth. तो 2 इंटरव्यूज थे, 1 मेल थी एंड 1 फीमेल थी. जब भी आप अपने आंसर्स देते हो, सो बी वेरी क्लियर अबाउट इट. मैंने जो भी आंसर्स दिए उसी मेरे आंसर्स में से ही उन्होंने 1-2 पॉइंट को पिक किया और उसी से नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बनाया. जैसे मैंने बोला कि कस्टमर और मार्केटर शुड बी ऑन अ सेम पेज. सो उससे उन्होंने घुमा करके क्वेश्चन पूछा कि आप दोनों सेम पेज पे कैसे हो सकते हो. मार्केटर बेच रहा है और कस्टमर खरीद रहा है, सो दोनों का सेम पेज पे होना इम्पॉसिबल है. सो ऑल दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर नोन एज ग्रिलिंग क्वेश्चन. वो जो भी मैंने आंसर दिए हैं, दे वांट टू नो कि मैं उसमें कितना ज्यादा क्लियर हूं. मैं अपने जो भी मैं बोल रही हूँ आउट ऑफ नोवेयर मैं बोल रही हूँ, या आई हैव क्लियरिटी अबाउट माई थॉट्स. वन थिंग, जब भी आपने कोई जवाब दे दिया है, डोंट ट्राई टू कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट इट. अगर आप बोलोगे कि नो वी कैन नॉट बी ऑन अ सेम पेज, देन इंटरव्यूअर को सी कम्स टू इंटरव्यू, ना तो कुछ सही आंसर है ना ही कुछ गलत आंसर है. उनको बस ये जानना होता है कि आपने जो आंसर दिया है उसमें आप कितना ज्यादा स्टिक रहते हो और कैसे उनसे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस को टैकल करते हो. उसके बाद उन्होंने मेरे से पूछा नीड, वांट और डिजायर के बीच में फर्क क्या होता है. एक लाइन बोली, नीड इज समथिंग जिसके बगैर लोग रह नहीं सकते. सो उनका काउंटर क्वेश्चन आया, ओके फरारी इज माई नीड और मैं उसके बगैर नहीं रह सकता. तो मतलब इस तरीके के ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस होंगे. एंड यू नीड टू फिगर आउट दिस ऑन इंस्टेंट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम कि आप इन क्वेश्चंस को कैसे टैकल करने जा रहे हो. एंड एट द सेम पॉइंट, डोंट बी रूड, ऑलवेज कीप योर स्माइल, कीप योर कामनेस ऑन योर फेस. डोंट लेट अदर पीपल सी दैट आप घबरा गए हो और आप टेंस्ड हो गए, बिकॉज इट हैपन्स. लाइक मैं टेंस्ड हो जाती हूँ एंड आई होप बहुत लोग टेंस्ड होते हैं. सो डोंट लेट देम जज लाइक आप परेशान हो रहे. उसके बाद मैम ने मेरे से क्वेश्चन पूछा. मैम वॉज वेरी काम. उन्होंने मुझे बिल्कुल भी बिल्कुल ग्रिल नहीं किया. शी आस्क्ड मी few 2-3 questions and all related to mostly into female domain only, like Indra Nui and female cannot have it all. उसके बाद फिर अगेन मैं किस कॉलेज को चूज करूंगी, आई वॉज वेरी ऑनेस्ट अबाउट दैट आंसर. बिकॉज अगर आप वहां पे जाकर के बोलते हो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू चूज आई एम कोईकोड बिकॉज ऑफ आई एम रांची एंड आई एम त्रिची, आई थिंक उनको समझ आ जाएगा कि आप झूठ बोल रहे हो. यू जस्ट वॉन्ट टू गेट इन टू द कॉलेज एंड द फैकल्टीज विच आर टेकिंग योर इंटरव्यू बिलोंग्स टू दैट कॉलेज ओनली, सो यू डोंट वॉन्ट टू फील बैड. दैट्स वाई यू आर सेइंग दैट. So be very honest with your answer. They are not going to trouble you or they cannot say anything. They also understand. But अगर कॉलेज कोई ऐसा होता है like अगर आपसे कोई पूछा आप IIM कोई कोड चूज करोगे, आप IIM इंदौर चूज करोगे, then you have to act smart and आपको मतलब आप उन दोनों में कंपैरिजन नहीं कर सकते हो बेसिकली. सो आप जिसके इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहे हो आप उसको बताओगे कि आई वांट टू गो फॉर दिस कॉलेज ओनली, एंड उसके पीछे कोई प्रॉपर अच्छा आप उस कॉलेज के पीछे रिसर्च कर लेना कि व्हाट ऑल आर द थिंग्स विच IIM इंदौर इज प्रोवाइडिंग, दैट्स व्हाई आई वांट टू गो फॉर दैट. तब किसी की बुराई मत करना कि मैं यहाँ नहीं आना चाहता या चाहती क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो ये नहीं होता, ऐसे नहीं बोलना है. होप दैट आपके डाउट्स क्लियर हो गए होंगे एंड you know what kind of questions they are asking. इसलिए उन्होंने मुझे बहुत ज्यादा जनरल क्वेश्चन एंड मेरे इंजीनियरिंग पार्ट पे भी बहुत ज्यादा ट्रिगर मुझे नहीं किया, बिकॉज आई थिंक उनको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग मिल गया था एंड वो मेरी पूरी इंटरव्यू डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की तरफ ही चली गई थी. लाइक हाफ ऑफ माई इंटरव्यू वॉज टुवर्ड दैट ओनली, एंड जो मेरा इंटरव्यू था इट वॉज अराउंड 15 minutes. सो ऑल द बेस्ट एंड गुड लक टू ऑल द कमिंग इंटरव्यूज एंड keep rocking guys, keep preparing hard and get your dream B school.